Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will walk you through an option that allows you to set a default printing format for purchase vouchers. To define the printing format, open the Purchase Voucher configuration and go to Other Settings. Then, click on Other Settings. Under the Defaults 1 window, there is an option to define the default printing format. Choose the printing format from the list in which the vouchers need to be printed and save the configuration. Let's open the Purchase Voucher. Click on the Print option and select Yes to preview. The voucher will be printed in the format chosen in the configuration.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.